plus cities have issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Stevenson County in northwest Illinois until 2:45 p.m. At 2:04 p.m., train spotters reported a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located approximately near Freeport and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Cedarville, German Valley, Rivet, Dakota, Rock City, and Davis. Please report any severe weather or damage to your local law enforcement agency for relay to the National Weather Service.